Hi, I'm Shreyan Shankar, BTech graduate in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Currently, I'm working as an associate engineer in Qualcomm Bangalore.
Can you tell us what is it that you're working on as part of your program?
As I earlier said that I'm an associate engineer. So my team basically is modern modern performance subsystems. So this is basically, it has two basic subsets, that is modern performance and modern memory. So in modern performance, I work on the Windows Phone, the chipsets which support the Windows Phone and the associated features. So there, in those areas, you need knowledge about signal processing, and a lot of mathematics is involved, and that is a lot of fun because that is something like you'll learn that what you've learned in college can be practically applied in these areas. And the modern memory part, that is something which I think is the core, the core thing that Qualcomm has, because as I already said that even Apple uses the modems manufactured by Qualcomm. So modem is a very core technology that Qualcomm has. So I used to work with modern memory. So in modern memory, you get to work with the most state of the art technology, and you get to learn things that not a lot of people know in the world. Like you will be in single digits in the number of people who know to work on such devices, and you will be one of them. So it's a very big thing to work on those things, and you get to work on these things very early in your career. So like the career graph grows exponentially. And the new thing that I'm working on, the new team that I'm working on is towards automotive. So in this, I'll be working on Linux kernel hacking.
Can you tell us how you're growing in terms of skills working at Qualcomm?
Qualcomm provides you with a huge database of knowledge and state-of-the-art technology. So working in Qualcomm will, like, your career will grow in leaps and bounds. Like you learn a lot, and the best thing is that work experience in Qualcomm matters a lot. Like suppose you want to go for higher studies like an MS degree, work experience at Qualcomm has a huge weightage. So like if you stay in Qualcomm and work, your knowledge will grow with leaps and bounds, and like your personality will grow, and you'll have a huge skill set. And even if you go for an MS program, you will carry a huge knowledge from the company moving forward, and you can implement that knowledge either in your research projects, or you can go back to Qualcomm and contribute there, or you can do something of your own.